Let's talk about a journey that can alter your financial future. This journey is not an ordinary one, but one that can give you financial independence. Imagine, on a sunny Saturday morning, you are enjoying your favorite coffee and reading stories of people who have transformed their financial lives. It is no surprise that we all desire that sense of security and freedom that comes with financial independence. But where should you begin? Here comes the earning, saving, investing. The smart path to financial independence. It is not just advice, but a proven strategy backed by cold, hard numbers. Did you know that individuals with a bachelor's degree earn a median weekly salary of $1,334, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics? That's compared to $853 for those with only a high school diploma. This is not just a small increase, but a significant jump towards achieving financial stability. But let's not stop there. Imagine being like Sophia, a software engineer whose love for coding turned into a lucrative career, doubling her income in just a few years. Or take Maya, who turned a passion for sustainable fashion into a booming online business. These aren't just feel-good stories. They're real-life examples of how education and entrepreneurship can pave the way to wealth. And when it comes to investing, the numbers speak even louder. A diversified portfolio in the stock market, for example, has historically returned about 10% annually. Think about Alina, who started with a modest sum and saw her investments grow exponentially over 2 decades, or Raj, whose real estate ventures provided not just a steady income but a multiplying asset. But here's the kicker: achieving financial independence isn't reserved for the high earners alone. Anna, a school teacher, showed us how living frugally and saving diligently can lead to a comfortable retirement, even on a modest income. It's about making smart choices, like saving 20% of your income, investing wisely, and yes, sometimes learning to say no to instant gratifications. So as you finish your coffee and think about your own financial journey, remember, it's not just about where you start, but the decisions you make along the way. Earning, saving, investing. The smart path to financial independence is more than a guide. It's your companion on the road to turning your financial dreams into reality. Ready to take the first step? Let's talk about the various pathways to financial independence. Number 1, education and skill acquisition are pivotal in the journey toward building wealth, serving as the bedrock upon which many successful careers and financial endeavors are built. The correlation between higher education and increased earning potential is well documented. This stark contrast underscores the value of investing in one's education. Take, for example, the story of Sophia, a software engineer whose passion for technology led her to pursue a degree in computer science. Despite the financial challenges and the need for student loans, Sophia's determination paid off. Within just a few years of entering the tech industry, her salary more than doubled, allowing her to pay off her student debt, invest in the stock market, and start building a robust financial portfolio. Sophia's success story is a testament to the power of education in unlocking doors to higher-paying jobs and financial stability. Moreover, the importance of skill acquisition extends beyond traditional college degrees. Vocational training and certification programs offer pathways to lucrative careers in trades and technology fields, where demand often outstrips supply. For instance, a certified electrician or a web developer with specialized programming skills can command a high salary, demonstrating that wealth building through education is not limited to 4-year degrees. These examples highlight the critical role of education and skill acquisition in wealth building, illustrating that the investment in learning and personal development can yield significant financial dividends over a lifetime. Number 2, entrepreneurship and innovation are powerful engines driving wealth creation, embodying the spirit of risk-taking and the pursuit of novel solutions to meet market needs. Consider the inspiring journey of Maya, who turned her passion for sustainable fashion into a thriving online business. Starting with just a small savings, Maya leveraged social media to build her brand, focusing on eco-friendly materials and ethical production processes. Within 3 years, her business expanded from an online store to a flagship boutique, embodying the potential of entrepreneurship to not only build wealth but also make a positive impact on society and the environment. Meyer's success story is not an isolated case. Entrepreneurs like Meyer use innovation and strategic thinking to grow their businesses by tapping into unmet needs in the market. The tech industry has seen many startups become tech giants, with founders becoming billionaires. These entrepreneurs begin with a unique idea, a clear vision, and the perseverance to overcome challenges. Entrepreneurship requires a blend of innovation, risk management, and resilience. Stories like Meyer's highlight the transformative power of entrepreneurial ventures in building wealth and contributing to economic growth. Innovation plays a critical role in navigating the path to financial success, and entrepreneurship is a pathway to significant wealth creation. Number 3. Investing in stocks, real estate, and other assets is a cornerstone strategy for building wealth over time. The power of compound interest and the potential for asset appreciation make these investment avenues highly attractive for those looking to grow their financial portfolio. Take, for example, the case of Alina, who started investing in the stock market with a modest sum. By consistently investing a portion of her income into a diversified portfolio of stocks, she took advantage of the market's average annual return of about 10% over the long term. Over 2 decades, Alina's initial investments grew exponentially, showcasing the power of patience and the strategic allocation of assets in wealth building. Real estate investment offers another compelling narrative for wealth accumulation. Consider the story of Raj, who purchased a small apartment building as an investment property. Through rental income and the property's appreciation in value over time, Raj was able to generate a steady stream of passive income, eventually using the equity from his first property to invest in more real estate, thus multiplying his wealth. These examples underscore the importance of investment as a tool for wealth creation. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or other assets, the key lies in making informed decisions, understanding market trends, and being patient. While investing carries risks, the potential rewards can be significant, offering a path to financial security and independence for those willing to navigate the complexities of the investment landscape. Number 4. Frugality and savings are often overlooked but are essential components of building and maintaining wealth. This approach emphasizes living within or below one's means, saving aggressively, and avoiding unnecessary debt. A study by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau highlights that individuals who practice frugality by saving regularly can significantly improve their financial stability and accumulate wealth over time. Consider the story of Anna, a school teacher with a modest income who embodies the principle of frugality. By choosing to live in a smaller, affordable home, driving a used car, and prioritizing savings, Anna was able to retire comfortably at the age of 60. Her disciplined approach to savings allowed her to amass a considerable nest egg, despite never earning a 6-figure salary. Anna's story illustrates that wealth is not solely about how much you earn, but how much you save and how wisely you spend. Anna's strategy included setting aside at least 20% of her income into a high-yield savings account and investing in low-cost index funds. Over the years, the power of compound interest worked in her favor, significantly increasing her savings. This methodical approach to saving and investing, coupled with a frugal lifestyle, enabled her to achieve financial independence. Frugality and savings are foundational to wealth building, demonstrating that consistent, small actions over time can lead to substantial financial growth. Anna's example serves as a powerful reminder that achieving financial security does not always require a high income, but rather a commitment to saving, investing, and living within one's means. 5. Inheritance and wealth transfer play a significant role in the distribution and accumulation of wealth across generations. According to a report by WealthX, about 32.6% of high net worth individuals have benefited significantly from inheritance, highlighting its impact on wealth dynamics. Consider the story of Clara, who inherited a family business that had been modestly successful for decades. With a background in business management and a fresh perspective, Clara implemented new technologies and expanded the company's market reach, significantly increasing its value. Her ability to transform the inherited business into a thriving enterprise not only multiplied her wealth, but also created jobs and contributed to economic growth. Clara's story exemplifies the potential of inheritance to serve as a catalyst for further wealth creation when combined with savvy management and innovation. However, it also underscores the importance of preparedness and financial literacy among heirs. A study by the Williams Group Wealth Consultancy found that 70% of wealthy families lose their wealth by the second generation, and 90% by the third, often due to a lack of preparedness and financial education among heirs. Effective wealth transfer requires strategic planning, including estate planning, trusts, and philanthropic giving, to ensure that wealth serves the intended purpose of supporting future generations and contributing to societal well-being. Clara's successful stewardship of her inheritance demonstrates the positive outcomes possible when financial resources are managed wisely, highlighting the critical role of education and planning in preserving and growing inherited wealth. 6. Building wealth is a journey fraught with challenges and considerations that require careful navigation. Market volatility, economic downturns, and personal financial missteps can all pose significant obstacles to wealth accumulation and preservation. Take, for example, the 2008 financial crisis, a stark reminder of the impact of market volatility and economic downturns on personal wealth. Millions of individuals saw their investment portfolios and home values plummet almost overnight, underscoring the risks associated with investing and the importance of diversification and risk management. This period also highlighted the challenge of maintaining employment and income stability during economic downturns, further complicating the path to wealth building. Personal financial missteps also play a critical role in the wealth-building journey. Consider the story of Kevin, a high-earning professional who, despite his substantial income, found himself in significant debt due to overspending and poor financial planning. Kevin's situation illustrates the importance of financial literacy and discipline in managing one's finances, emphasizing that earning a high income is not a guarantee of wealth accumulation. Moreover, ethical considerations and the impact of one's financial decisions on society and the environment are increasingly important challenges for those building wealth. The growing emphasis on sustainable investing and corporate social responsibility reflects a broader consideration of how wealth is accumulated and used, highlighting the desire among many to not only build wealth, but to do so in a manner that contributes positively to society. These challenges and considerations underscore the complexity of the wealth-building journey, emphasizing the need for strategic planning, financial education, and a mindful approach to investment and spending. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.